up, guys? We got Jayvie here today because we're gonna do his sounds or just add a second battery. Yeah?
Yep.
Problem solved.
What's up, guys? It's Jayvie. Today we'll be putting this Napa AGM because your boy can't afford yellow tops because those buggers are like $400 now. This is like about 2. And what we'll be using is welding cable because when I went to the shop it was like $8 a foot, and that's 2 knots. And we're gonna be what's this? Oh, yeah. Okay, first things first, disconnect the negative. Got this from Napa too, but this is a 24F, and the auxiliary battery or the extra batteries are gonna be a 34R. The specs are kind of the same, but I think it's alright. Okay, let's put that bug on the side, and now we start. All right, guys, here we are mocking up the okay, mocking up the new battery. Right here, fits like a glove bug. Check them. We're still gonna strap them down, no worry. Okay, all right, for the wire, we're gonna run it underneath the truck, run the wires through the chassis, then we're gonna try to drill holes somewhere over there and shove the wire through. Oh yeah, where'd that thing come from?
So the hole is drilled, but it's pretty much a double wall here. So we're just gonna use the grommet. Dane's not here right now.
Fuck you, Dane.
So he probably
Love you. See you later.
he's probably gonna watch this video laughing and be like, amateurs. So put a seal over that because we're not gonna use it anymore.
Remember, guys, you need a hydraulic crimper for this. Well, it's the easiest way.
Fuck, I hate this. Look at that. Look how much.
What?
Look how much.
That's it.
Yeah.
Short jabs,
Yeah. Right there, ready. Right there?
Yep.
Oh, that's how. What the fuck?
What?
It's like that. They struck your butter almost.
Or you doing them like the kind?
I was doing like when knockouts it.
Oh,
I guess like that.
Okay, I think that's good.
so it's worth it then.
We just go on quick hammer and we'll close them out. Alright, guys, change of plans. We can't drill through because there was another wall or whatever. So we're gonna put it in this. Where the grommet went? Is it this one?
No, I took it out already.
Okay, there's some grommet somewhere.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we're gonna run them through the chassis. Never mind my rock lights. I'm a first year apprentice. If you like talk about it more, we can meet her bush. Plenty fresh paved road for get down. Alright, guys, the grommets stay over here that Gary took out. Now we gotta drill them out somewhat. So right next to the gas tank. Safe.
I'll do this at home. Only at my house.
Chairs.
No.
Chairs.
Nope. 이거 뭐다. Nope.
Oh. Good lady.
Good.
She tight dog.
Yep. Now you do it. Oh man.
So yeah, update dog.
Okay, almost there. Somewhat.
What are we doing now?
We're doing the wires because they're different lengths now, since they're going directly to the battery. NEC 357 states. No. I don't know which one is 357. Is it?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Because you know your
I
code.
know 250.2. What is that? It's the chart, I think. The grounding chart.
I don't know.
Hi, Boss J. What's the next?
Finishing up, so putting everything back together. Oh fuck shit.
This is the good side cutters. No bite.
Oh.
No bite of blue one. What? Went off.
She's sparking.
Fuck was that?
Fuck, are you in Chorada?
No?
That was you!
My hand right here.
Lie.
Bro, there's a zip tie.
Yeah.
The auto on the side. From the other side.
Okay, we need some help. The wire's not like going my way right now.
Okay, how you like? Need hot gloves.
What is
How
that?
you- Huh?
Oh, the truck is on you?
Yeah. Hold on.
Fuck.
Brothers and sisters, have a little bit technical difficulties, my dog. But your boy will escape to get wrapped. Huh? What's the bolts? 13.
This one is 14. Should be. Should be same, huh? 14 is good. 14 is good. I know 14 over. Because for my tooling, and I had to up it. Should be good. The up is different in the back.
Down is 13, you said?
Yeah.
See what?
Clean grounds was the best grounds.
See the vision.
See the vision. See the turbo over there. Yeah.
I don't know, but what do you think? Think it'll be cherry?
What?
My voltage is reading 14 in the front and 13 in the back.
14 in the front and 13 in the back.
Yeah.
While your car's running?
Yeah.
Or probably because of the kind of voltage drop that they made for.
Oh,
Or from the alternator.
probably. So I gotta tell my Milo. I gotta go through the plants. I gotta do a couple RFIs.
Mark Milo. You heard that? Mark.
You watch your video?
Yeah. Mark Milo.
Yeah.
Mark or Mike?
BYD, guys! How much tire shine on the frame?
Oh yeah, you tire shine your frame, yo.
Hell yeah.
I forgot. That's a good idea. I'll do that too.
Just gotta zip tie that bad boy.
Come on. Start this fucker.
Start on one more time.
Start 'em again, dog.
$14.4.
14.4. Yes, sir. to 0. Now it's back. Run back up. No, earlier. Should go watch the video.
Ready?
Right.
One more time, ready? No, that's good. Main thing it doesn't get to like below 12, then I'm screwed.
There we go. Then run back up.
So voltage is at what? 14.3 on the average? There, because before my second battery, I would try slam it and my truck would totally shut off. And for all you third gens who want to put AGM batteries, you gotta get it tuned. You gotta, because we got that fucking bullshit smart alternator. So. Fuck, I had to go to what's this?
Ahoy!
Yeah, Ahoy TRD. The guy James, I got the Overland Taylor tune. So hit him up for a tune, and PR Customs Nick for doing my box. Thing is fucking badass now, because before I used to make my own box, but I ain't no carpenter. It just sound like shit, dude.
So the second battery helped in.
The second battery helped. Now gotta try to see if the thing still dims, because oh my god, it used to look like on strobe show this thing.
Okay.
But voltage standing at 14 already is impressive, because it used to drop to like, well, before the tune would drop to low 12s, and that's like, oh shit moments.
Show him.
Ain't no quad fathers, but it's all I can afford for now. So, so yeah, you want to close it out?
Sure. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe and look out for drone footage coming up. And anything you guys gotta say?
Peace out, girl scout.
Oh yeah. Thanks to PR Customs Nick for building my box, and Ahoy TRD for tuning my truck so I can get that 14.7 voltage. Thanks to our bullshit alternators. But yeah, thanks guys.
Yeah, the tune action. You keep up on the H3 now.
She fast, dog. She motherfucking fast, dog.
Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
Scrubs.
Brother Mars blinking too fast. Brother man need one new relay. Fortune Status stickers, www.fortunestatus.com. Let me know.